Hi, I am Kimbo. I have a craft website, agirlinthegluegun.com, and this is my YouTube channel. Okay, today's video is coming from a message that I got on Etsy. I've gotten it a few times, so I just thought I'm going to make a YouTube video about it because it is so easy. I have a lot of printables on my Etsy shop, and I have a lot of printables on my craft website, and I usually leave a little section blank so you can fill it in. And they wanted to know if there's a way to customize it or personalize it on the computer, so you're not having to write this. We actually gave these out to all the women in our church. We got them all prepped, but did I want to write Love the Relief Society on every single one of these? No. So instead, we uploaded them, we wrote them out in a pretty font, and then we were able to print them all with that writing on it. So it's a great way if you hate your handwriting, or if you have a lot to fill out and you don't want to fill it out, this is a great hack. And the best part is the website is free. So it's a free way to personalize these fun printables. Let me show you a couple other reasons, like where it would come in useful. So I've got this cute one. It is a Charlotte's Web. It says Some Teacher. I also have Terrific, but it's black. So if you were to write your name or Love the PTA on it, you're not going to be able to see it unless you have a white or silver pen. So you can upload this, you can change the font to a white, the color of the font to a white, and then be able to write it, and so it's legible. You could actually do it in red too. This one is a fun teacher one. Teacher Appreciation Week just ended. I've got a lot of Teacher Appreciation Weeks. So like, let's say you're in the PTA and you want to fill this out personalized. I left one blank. I do have a printable that has some that are filled in, but let's say you wanted to customize it for your school. So instead of having to write every single one of these and do it for every single teacher, you could write them in and then graded by, and then you could put the PTA or whatever, and then you could just print them up or send them to the printer from there instead of having to, I mean, your hand would fall off. If you had to write 30 times 6, it would be a mess. So that's another great way to use this. The last one is one of my favorites. I made this little Tooth Fairy stationery. It comes with an envelope too, but I don't know if, can you guys see how teeny tiny that handwriting is? I can't write that small. And so there is no way that I could be able to like write this little letter. So this was a great printable to upload to that website, write your custom message, save it, and then print them off from there. And I'm going to walk you through it step by step. Let's go. All right, let's jump in. I'm going to show you exactly how to edit these files. Now, I have already downloaded the files that I'm going to be working with. Whether you're getting them from a website or Etsy, or if someone's emailed them to you, you're going to want to click that download button. They're going to download to your computer. I've already done that, so my downloads are ready for me. I'm here at canva.com. You do have to create an account, but I have never spent money at canva.com. They do have an upgraded version, like a pro, but for what we're doing today, you just need the basic free account. And Canva really does have a lot of awesome features. So if you need it for more than this, I definitely recommend it. It is a great website, but we're just using free basic canva.com, but you do have to create an account. So I've logged into my account. This is what it looks like. I'm going to go right here and I'm going to click upload. I'm going to click upload files. And this is my downloads. This is where I put every file that I might want to work on today. If you can't find yours, if it doesn't automatically pop up, it might be in pictures. You might need to click downloads. It's just going to be wherever your downloads store. So you're going to have to maybe dig around and try to find them. It's usually not that hard. If you can't find it, make sure that you, sometimes your computer prevents things from downloading as like a safety feature. So it might be that. So you might have to play around with it, but here's our downloads. I'm going to do this one, open. I'm going to click use in a new design. I'm going to do custom size. And this is basically, we're just keeping the dimensions of this printable. And it's going to drop right here. So let's say I'm using this one. I want to give cute Christmas gifts to all of my neighbors. I want to put it on a package of cookies or muffins or something, but I have horrible writing. I don't want to have to write this 20 times. So I'm just going to write it and print it out and make my handwriting look beautiful. This is really far away. I'm going to use the slider feature right here just to zoom in a little bit. so we can see things just a little bit closer up. All right, here we go. I've got text over here on the side. I'm going to click it. I'm going to add a text box. Now I'm going to write love the Wests. Now once that's written, it always pops, the text always goes right in the middle. But you can move it around. You can drag it and resize it. You can also click right here to resize. Get it in there. Let me zoom in a little bit more. All right, we've got Love the Wests. Is it super cute? No, it's a pretty basic font. So I'm going to go up here where it says Canva Sans. That's your font. And they have lots of really cute ones that you can work with. You just can pick around. They have like handwriting ones. So if you're trying to like act like I actually wrote this, this is my handwriting, you can pick that. So you can play around with it, pick a font. We're going to go with that one. Okay, now another great feature is they have a text color. You can see they have the basics, the bold, the italicized, the underline, the strike through, whatever. But we're going to change the color. One of the features that I love about Canva is it pulls the color from this image and it shows you the color. So if you want it to match, you could just be like, look at that right there. Nice and easy. I think that is such a cool feature. Okay, so we've got that done. Love it. Now we're just going to right click and duplicate. Drag it over, right click, duplicate. Right click, duplicate. Until we have the whole thing filled, and then we can send it, like download it. You'll go up here and download it to your computer and print it from there, and then you don't have to go through and handwrite all of these things. Now let's take it one step further for a little bit of a harder project. We're back at home page, upload files. We are going to do this Tooth Fairy printable that I have in my shop. Using a new design, custom size, create new design. Now I have a couple different options of this printable. One comes pre-filled out, but there is an option to customize it for your own kid, so you can write their own name on it. So it's a little bit more personalized, which I think is super darling. So we've got this Tooth Fairy stationery. We're going to zoom in. Now we want to put the kids' names on the envelopes. We want to write them a nice little note. So we're going to do the same basic thing. We're going to add a text box. Let's say Billy is our kid. Now we want to make sure that we're picking a font that the Tooth Fairy would use. I'm not quite sure what font a Tooth Fairy would use, but I'm picturing whimsical, something whimsical. Can kids read cursive? Okay, we're just going to go with this one, or I will be here all day. I like picking fonts. So we're going to center this. I also, let's see, we're going to change the color. It's going to pull the colors, which I love, but I actually want to go like a dark brown. I don't want to do black, so I'm just going to go down here. Or maybe a dark red. Play around, pick whatever color you want. Okay. Go back here. Now I have my Billy, so I want to mass produce these. My kid's just starting to lose teeth. So I'm going to duplicate and drag a Billy over there. Drag one on that envelope. And drag one on that envelope. Now we want to duplicate, and that's going to be way too big. Let me zoom in. So I'm just going to size that down. And then you're going to write your cute little message. Congrats on your lost tooth. Now, as you can see, this spacing is quite large. in between the words. So we're going to do something about that. We're going to go up here to this T, Advanced Settings, and we're just going to do line spacing. Letter spacing will scrunch your words together and space them apart. And line spacing puts your lines a little bit closer. And then if you see, if you want to squish it. So lots of fun options there. I accidentally moved my sheet instead of my word, so I'm going to go up here to the undo button, which everything should have an undo button. I wish my life had an undo button. Okay, and then it's just rinse and repeat. If you want to keep this font, if you want to change up the font, we have this one that's sideways, so you can type it up. You make sure that it is clicked on, and then you can see this little arrow, these arrows, and you're just going to be able to rotate. So you can see these two letters are on their side. And then size. So it is just a super fun feature to add a little bit of personalization. I love it for these tooth fairy letters because you would have to write teeny, teeny, tiny to write an actual letter. So, and same as last time, when you have it all done, you're just going to download it to your computer. Obviously, I didn't finish, but let's pretend I finished. I'm ready to save it. I'm going to go over here to share. You're going to click this download button right here. It's going to save it back to your computer. And then from there, you can send it to your printer. You could send it to a print shop. You could send it to like Walgreens and have it printed as a photo. So a couple different options that you can do if you don't have a printer, but that's how you add some fun personalization. Thanks so much for watching. Oh, I cannot multitask. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure that you're following along on my YouTube channel so you don't miss any of my crafty videos, and have a great day.